Hello, welcome back to Ravi Tech Views channel. This is first time here, subscribe my channel for getting latest information from my channel. Take a look on quick reference guide for LG inverter air conditioner. Check before installation. Capacity tonnage, stabilizer, MCB ampere. Requirements vary according to the tonnage. Next, indoor unit best location. The upper part more than 200 mm. The right and left side more than 100 mm, and finally below more than 2300 mm. Next, outdoor unit best location. The distance between unit and walls or obstruction like this. Next, take a look on outdoor unit installation. For better drainage, the installation plate may be titled 2 to 3 degrees in downward direction towards drain pipe side. Drain pipe routine like this, pipe should not up. The correct and wrong placement of outdoor unit. After installation, run the machine for 15 minutes. Verify the temperature difference using thermometer. Give demonstration of the product. For more information about LG air conditioner, please check description. Thanks for watching.